the last tutorial I did was to show you how to fund a GFL account using BTC. So I'm doing that again now. So I just add $127 to my BTC account. So I now have it in different denomination. I have BUSD at $62 and BTC $124. So I'm going to send this BTC out now. I'm going to withdraw BTC and I'm going to send it to my GLF account. You can see I've chosen Bitcoin and I just put around $40 and I click on process payment and they have generated a wallet address for me and I'm copying that wallet address. I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna come back to my Binance and choose withdraw. And you can see I want to withdraw crypto BTC. I'm adding my address and I'm putting my maximum BTC. You can see the maximum BTC is 0. So the amount that's going to be received is 0.00323173 instead of, and I'm sending 0.0038. So you can see, so they are charging all that amount. So I'll just click on withdraw and they're asking me to confirm that the address is correct. To confirm that the address is correct. And I click on continue and they still ask me to get code, verification code from Binance to confirm my transaction. 163533. And also to get code from my email. You can see Binance is so secure that everything you want to do, they will ask you to get code, verification code from your 2FA so that it will not be someone that hacks your account that is trying to just wipe out money. You can see complete and we are done. If I go back to my wallet overview, you see that the money is not there anymore. My Bitcoin, everything, it is within confirmation 0 of 1. In a few minutes, confirmation is going to roll. When I reload it, you see, once confirmation is 1 of 1, it is gone. And then I'll check my account here and you will see it in my dashboard. You see it. Once it's gone, you see it here. You see it here in the last capital. So you see it here in the last capital in the last deposit. Let's wait a few minutes. And after a few minutes of refreshing, you can see that we don't have this here anymore. Now, let's go back and refresh our GLF account and see if the money has been deposited. Okay, so we have last deposit still 173. It's going to update in a few minutes. It's going to update in a few minutes. Let me see deposit history. So the money is not here yet, but in a few minutes it's going to be there and then we'll be good to go. So let me just pause and wait for it to be there. And here you have it. Here you have it. So you can now see that the last deposit is now 106. So that's $124 that I actually converted to BTC and sent. The charges was around, how much is this? $124, 106. The charges was almost $20. I think the charges are around $18. Okay, $18, I think so. So I now have 106 here. So it means if you want to actually deposit your account, you need to start with at least $120 so that you have at least 105, 106 equivalent like that on your account. So now I have 106. So automatically it has added this 106 to my current balance. So you can see that this is my last capital. This 106 has been added to my 173, and I'm now having 279 as last capital. And so what this site will continue working on is from tomorrow I'll now be having $2.79 as profit every day instead of having $1.79 as profit. So if I add more money and it becomes $500, I'll be having $5 every day as profit from the next 24 hours. So you see now that tomorrow night, if I do another video, take a screenshot and show on the group, you see now that I will now have an addition of $2.79 instead of the addition of $2 that I normally have. So that's how, I keep pushing it. Let me check my referral. So my referral, you can see here, all these people have joined through me, but none of them have actually, started up their own account. So people want to make money, but people are still waiting for someone that makes the money to show. So me, I'm just, trying to, continue to put little money until I have about $5,000 to $10,000. Because I was even thinking 2,000 before, but I'm looking at having at least $5,000 to $10,000, so that at least if I have $10,000 every day, I'll be having $100 on my account. So $100 every 10 days, I have $1,000. So at least that should be good to to use as a for business. And that's how you just like. Don't look at it that. Don't start if you are from Nigeria. Don't be looking at it like I don't know what you have that money. Just this is business. Business is risk. Everything is risk. So instead of you spend, if you don't put that money in your account, you will still spend it, and you'll not be able to say this is what I spend it on. So it's left to you anyway. For me, I'm actually sacrificing my money. So once this 550 USD now gets to 100 USD, I will reinvest it and add it to my current balance to now increase. So that is my purpose. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.